We will make the testing of magnetic limited switch now. First step.
电压，这是电压，24伏。
The power supply is 24 DC.
好，可以了吗
Okay. This is magnetic ring for test. For this time, magnetic ring is in static and limited switch is in moving condition. When switch close to the magnetic ring, the switch is closed and the circuit is closed too. The signal light and bulb are on. Bulb is work as load. When switch away from magnetic ring, the magnetic switch is open and the circuit is open too, while the signal light and bulb are off. Okay.